Finally, I have a full bottle of Nishane Safran Colognise, and I kept it unboxed because I wanted to do unboxing here. So let's do it. Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam. Today we are reviewing Nishane Safran Colognise. Now as you can see, I haven't opened this box because I was actually waiting to do it here. So let's do this right now. Now the thing is that I tried a sample of this perfume and I was literally amazed. This perfume was suggested to me by Mr. Shajeel Malek. He also has a YouTube channel by the name Scent On, and he reviewed this fragrance on his channel as well recently. I'll mention the link below just in case if you want to see his review. So this is how the box looks like. Now the box is really simplistic yet elegant. It is not tacky, as you can say, because the fragrance here is simple and to the point. So after sampling this fragrance, I literally fell head over heels for this fragrance, and since it was not available, I had to wait, but it was worth the wait, because as soon as the fragrance was available, I ordered it, and I waited to open the box when I make the video because I was already aware how the scent profile is. So this is how the bottle looks like, very elegant, very small, and by the look of it, you might feel that this is a 50 ml bottle or maybe 60, but this is a 100 ml bottle. Now the best thing about this fragrance is that this is extrait de cologne. That means that it falls under cologne category, but it is more you can say strong as compared to that, but less strong as compared to perfume version. But this doesn't actually matter because this fragrance is everything you want in a summer fragrance. Now people are actually referring this as a summer freshie, but for me this is 24/7 fragrance. You can wear it anytime, any day, and anywhere. It is that good. So I'm just gonna spray this and remind myself how this fragrance actually smells like, and good. See, I'll give you a very good example of this perfume. I'll try to explain this perfume in a very simple way. As soon as you spray this fragrance, you'll get the lemon vibes, and the lemon vibe here is like a lemon which is not fresh. I hope you're getting my point. So it is not a fresh lemon, you know, it is kind of lemon which is not good. The fragrance is very mature, not your typical jolly and bubbly kind of thing going on. No, this is mature stuff. And of course saffron is there in this perfume, so the saffron here is very well blended. I mean, I have literally I am out of words right now. This is actually the best saffron fragrance that I have encountered so far in many years. That is the reason I am literally mad about this fragrance. This fragrance symbolizes strength. This is what I feel, and it is long lasting fragrance. No matter whether it is winter or summer, it will last for like 8 to 9 hours straight. And if you have sprayed this fragrance on your clothes directly, then you can expect it in the next day as well. Now the scent profile of this fragrance will be like, it won't radiate that much, it won't give you that much sillage. It will stay close to your skin after like the second hour of application, but it will be like, this is how you smell, this is how your skin smells. So it is like a second skin. There are very less fragrances that are like that. For example, Kyle's Original Musk. So if you're having close encounter with people, with anyone, they will just think that this is how you naturally smell. This is not a scent or perfume that you're wearing. It is that good. Again, the thing that I'm saying here is on a compliment basis. That is a good thing about this perfume. This is a mature stuff. You might not like it if you are under 25, and you love it if you are above 35. Again, it is subjective. You may or may not like it. Just make sure you try this fragrance before buying, because this is a very subjective fragrance. Just an FYI, this is actually a flanker to another Nishane which is called Colognise. This is Saffron Colognise, so that one came first, and this is the second one, but this is actually their bestseller as compared to that one. So all the fragrances that are in this presentation, let's say Annie or Hachivat or any other. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. So any other fragrance in this presentation is costly as compared to these bottles, because these will be for around 9,000 or 10,000 rupees, and this one is for 6,000 or max to max 6,500 rupees retail pack. Is this similar to any other fragrance available in the market? No, this is not at all similar, but if you have tried Oolong Cha by the house of Nishane, same house, there is like 15 to 20% similarity between these two, because both of these fragrances share some same notes. So that is the reason you might be able to get Oolong Cha in here. But again, I'm not saying that don't buy this if you have that one, or don't buy that if you have this one. Both are totally different, and you will just get a little bit of similar vibes between these two. Otherwise, this is a totally different fragrance. I mean, just look at the bottle. You'll be able to hold the bottle like this, but still don't, because should not trust the caps like this. The bottle is very good, I mean heavy, and you will be able to take your bottle anywhere you go. So this is it regarding Nishane Safran Colognise, guys. Pardon me if I'm butchering the name. We'll see you in the next episode. Do subscribe and share if you like the content, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care and have a great day.